In this video, I'm gonna talk about an app known as freeform, which is only available for Apple devices for now. To use freeform is available to use on iPhone, iPad, and all other Apple devices. With freeform, you can work together on creating ideas. Let's move into the app and take a look around. On the left, you can see options to see your recent work. To start a new board, tap on the compose button on the top. For the purpose of video, we are gonna see a board prepared to organize a party in a neighborhood, and how you can use freeform to involve people with you. Basically, freeform is an app you can use to collaborate with your friends and be creative. Meanwhile, they are not with you. Like, it's kind of a thing. If it's kind of an app where you can get to know what your friends think about a certain topic, and they can write it on their phone, and you will be able to see what are their ideas, what they think about a certain topic. Meanwhile, you are in the app. To add your friends, all you have to do is tap share button and share the link or a text with your friends. You can add things to your board using options on the top. To add a drawing, tap on the drawing icon, or you can add a note by tapping note button. Meanwhile, you can also see what are the things or edits your friends are doing. Simultaneously, you can also add shape by tapping the shape button. To delete things from the board, you can click on the item and tap delete. You can also add text on your board by tapping text button, and you can resize it as well. To add a media like photos and videos, tap on the media button. You can be creative and move the photos and resize the text. Also, for more customization, you can crop photos and add color to your fonts. In the left corner of the board, you will find an arrow, but you have to tap on the right arrow to export your board and to show your work when you are done, and tap again to exit, and you can export it in a PDF or whatever format you want. Comment down below if you have any questions. That's all for now. Stay tuned.